What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today got a very easy, simple video for me to do. Little update on the Civic. If you saw the last video, I was trying to get the car to start. It didn't start and I left it as I'm gonna work on the wiring for the next video so that I could hopefully start it and finish working on the Civic. On the Civic, I want to go throughout the wiring, buy a grounds kit since I never had one of those. I just kind of used grounds that I had laying around that could add to the problem. All of that could take a little bit of time, and I don't want to rush a video just to upload a video. The next Civic video, I want it to be the car started type of video. So in order to give me some leeway time, I think I'm gonna start uploading all the secret project car videos. I should have enough to upload 2 videos per week for the next 3 weeks, and I think that'll give me enough time so that I'm not rushing on the Civic. I think that'll just be best case scenario. So don't expect another Civic video until the car is officially started. But for today's video, we're gonna be working on the truck, and the truck doesn't do that great views wise, but I like to work on the truck because it's a lot of simple things. I like working on cars that just work, and I'm just doing little fixes and stuff like that. It makes me feel like I'm bringing a car back to its glory. So inside the truck, we're gonna be working on this, and as you can see, our little dome light center console is holding on for dear life. And while I was at the junkyard, this seemed to be a very common issue. Normally, if yours isn't broken, there is a screw you remove, and then it's gonna hang like this, and then it has 2 clips over here. You just kind of pull it down, and you have your harness that is attached. Just go ahead and remove that. Don't drop it. There you go. And I don't know if y'all can see, but up here, oh, what the heck? It's more like an Allen key. Let me go get that. Alrighty, got all the Allen keys I got. Don't look at me like that. Damn, it's a long ass screw. What the heck? Alright, there we go. So, this is what seems to break off. I feel like I'm so vulnerable right now. Like, probably anyone can just look at me talking to the camera right now. I'm a little nervy. So if we look at the original one on the truck, you can see it's broken. And that's the piece that goes right there. Comparison to the one I got at the junkyard, it's like it still has a little nipple on. 5 minutes before recording this video, I thought about it and I was like, you know what, you could probably just fix this. You could just use some JB weld, put it on the little rim, and then just go ahead and attach this right there, and then you could just pretty much reuse yours. Go ahead and install the one that I got at the junkyard. Sheesh, she works. That's good. I didn't think it was gonna work. I don't know why this one has this little extra harness thingy, my bob. This one doesn't. Just kind of connected on itself. We got these little tabs. You just kind of insert it into these little slits up here. Can't really see. Now you really got to get up in there so that you can see the freaking hole. Know what I'm saying? I couldn't even see anything. I'm just going for it. Damn, it's hot in here right now. What the frick, man? I think we got somewhere. I hope we're good right there. Over tightening it, and then just the vibrations of the truck just probably cause it to like kind of like crack on itself, so, or break off. Yeah, very nice. So that's it for today's video. Very easy, very simple, but I don't want to get too philosophical on you guys or yap too much, but these are the little things that I like to do to my cars just because I feel like they add a lot of value. I don't know if you've seen that one video by like that Marine person giving a speech, and he's like, the first task in the morning is do your bed, because it kind of like jumpstarts your day and you keep wanting to do more things throughout the day. I kind of see it like that with vehicles. If you just do like little simple tasks like this, you're gonna get somewhere, and the car will probably be in a lot better shape than if you're trying to just jump to do like a crazy swap or something like that, because of how we're being influenced by like the big automotive YouTubers. And I think like that there would be a lot more projects getting finished and not being sold as much. But that's just my opinion. Take it or leave it. That's it for today's video. I think next week it should be the first upload of the secret car project on the channel. So stay tuned for that. If you like today's video, drop a like for your boy, comment, subscribe, do all that great stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Chale ganitas.